Hey guys, this is not an unboxing video, but I just got a new selfie stick from my Insta360 1X2. This is a pretty long selfie stick. It's 3 meters long. I'm gonna test it today just to see how it works. The footage looks like. As we all know, the audios on the Insta360 1X2 is just crap. So if you're putting your Insta360 up in the air, it's not easy to hear anything, but we're gonna try it. It's a second generation carbon fiber selfie stick, Telesin. I really don't know where it's produced, so maybe in China or whatever, but we're gonna test it. Hopefully I can do that, and I'm gonna fly my drone a little bit, but we're gonna test the selfie stick. So let's open it up and see how it is. Hey guys, I'm testing my new selfie stick. It's a 3 meter long selfie stick from Telesin. It's pretty strange to use, but seems to be pretty solid. It's 3 meters long, pretty hard to hold with just one hand, but it's fun to test something new. It was pretty cheap on Amazon. I really don't know if you can hear me at all, but this is really strange. I really think maybe you can do some kind of fun things with it. I really don't know, but yeah, it's a pretty long selfie stick. It's fun to use. I think you get a pretty nice view. Over the trail. This is the Norwegian nature. I think I'm going to do all the reframing in the studio app, not the mobile app, because it's a load of work. It's a new plugin in DaVinci Resolve called, I think it's called or VR360 plugin. A really good plugin. You can download it from Reactor in DaVinci Resolve. Pretty powerful reframing plugin. You have the same plugin in Premiere Pro. You can use the 360 GoPro plugin, but it's not as good as the card or VR something in DaVinci Resolve. It's much more powerful, and what I really enjoy with DaVinci Resolve, and especially using the plugin, is that you have real-time playback. You don't have that in Premiere Pro. I'm not having that because I have to use proxy. I don't need to use proxy in DaVinci Resolve. It's much more powerful and much better for my computer, but I really like Premiere Pro. I use both of them. Premiere Pro is better for quick and easy edit. Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve is much more powerful, in my opinion. bit slippery. Yeah. How are the stabilization? The stick is moving like crazy. Hope I'm at the right trail. Think so. It's really heavy though. It's really heavy to hold. It's going to be fun to see how it looks. I'm going to do much more with this selfie stick. You can make some really fun things with it. But it's heavy. This way. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, like I always say. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is just a test with a Telesin selfie stick, 3 meter long. It's a little bit heavy, but yeah, see you.